If you encounter suspicious activity while using DoorDash, it's important to report it promptly to ensure safety and the integrity of the platform. Follow these steps to report any concerns effectively. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app. Launch the DoorDash app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the reporting features. Step 2. Navigate to the order history. Go to your order history by tapping on the orders icon at the bottom of the screen. This will display a list of your recent orders. Step 3. Select the relevant order. Find and select the order related to the suspicious activity. Tap on it to view the details of that specific order. Step 4. Report the issue. Scroll down to find the Report an Issue option. Choose this option and select the type of suspicious activity you want to report from the provided list. Step 5. Provide additional details. Fill out any required fields with specific details about the suspicious activity. Be as descriptive as possible to help the support team understand the situation. After completing these steps, you should receive a confirmation that your report has been submitted. DoorDash will review the information and take appropriate action. Always prioritize your safety and do not hesitate to reach out if you notice anything unusual.